Hello and welcome to another video that I'm using to fill up the summer. This one is Christmas themed, so yay. This is going to be an unboxing video, and I'm going to unbox a toy that Olivia and I found. It is a super-sized Scrooge McDuck from Mickey's A Christmas Carol, so Ebenezer Scrooge McDuck. I love Scrooge McDuck. He's probably my favorite Disney character. I've got like that. I've got Scrooge, DuckTales. I asked Louise if she wanted to be in this video with me, and she said, meh. So, just me today. Let's get, scissor safety is important. So I'm not exactly sure. Am I supposed to cut through this? I don't know. Not sure what I'm gonna find in here. It is light, like concerningly light. Okay, yeah. Okay, all right. There's definitely a box in here. So let's take this trash out. So let's just take this box out. Set it right here. Put this box out of the way. It just fell right back down. All right. Let's see what we got here. All right, lots of bubble wrap. That's good. Okay, a box in a box in a box. Grab it with my knees. How do people do this? I guess they cut around all this stuff. All the ones I see are so smooth, and then it's like it's out of the box. It's a miracle. Ugh. Okay. Bubble wrap here. Yeah. We will save that bubble wrap for Olivia. So we've got Disney, this pretty box here. And it says Disney Mickey's Christmas Carol vinyl figure. Did I say that right? Vinyl or vinyl? It's vinyl. I'm gonna go with vinyl. Nice box, big box. Okay, ooh, okay. All right, just take this plastic off. I think we've got a screw. Oh, his hat comes off here. Okay. Come on up. Okay. Oh, we got my scissors here. Good. I think this goes like here. Yep. Right? Scissors don't go on him. His hat. That looks great. Initial thoughts. It looks great. I mean, it looks just like it's pulled straight out of the animation. I've really got no, let's see what his butt looks like. Yep, that's a duck butt. Imperfection here in the hat, that's okay. Glasses, stable. It's very light. It feels like one of those old school Disney piggy banks you would get when you were a kid. That's what it feels like. It's very light, but the detail is incredible. It looks fantastic. Got some duck skin underneath there, this lamp. I mean, this is gonna be great. This is fantastic. I'm very happy with this unboxing. I mean, what are you supposed to say? A profile shot, he looks fantastic. Right? Pretty cool, huh? So we'll put this out at Christmas time. We have a Mickey one that's like significantly bigger. But I'm very happy with this. I think I would probably purchase something from Super 7 again. So this is the Super 7 super-sized Scrooge, Ebenezer Scrooge from Mickey's A Christmas Carol, and I think this is a huge success. I can see that this might get dirty very easily, so we gotta be careful, especially with a baby on the way, that they don't get grubby little stuff all over it because this is not a toy. This is not a toy. This is it. This is what it is. This is the content for the summer while we're trying to figure it out. But hey, maybe you're into this kind of thing like I am and you think this is super awesome. Fantastic. If you don't, oh well, this is what you get. Like and subscribe for more awesome content like this. We will see you next week. Bye.